In this video, I will be showing you how you can create graphics for Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube that look like this for free with Canva. Coming up. Hey guys, my name is Hafiz and welcome to Roll Record. On this channel, I teach beginners how to make videos. I also share helpful tips and tools that can help you get started and go further in your video making journey. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Alright, we're talking about Canva today and I am excited because it is a tool that I personally use and I can't wait to share it with you. And as always, links and timestamps can be found in the description box down below. So then, what is Canva? Well, Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create social media graphics, posters, presentations, and visual content. Some examples of what you can create on Canva includes cover art for Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. You can create logos. You can also do overlays for your videos. In fact, a couple of videos back, I actually showed how I used Canva to create an overlay for my videos, and if you want to check that out, the video link is right here. Now let's jump into my computer and take a tour and let me show you what Canva can do. Alright, so now that you've already registered and signed in, you will be brought to the Canva homepage, and on the left hand side you can see the profile name that you used to create the account, as well as create a design, and then you have some other navigation menus on the left hand side here. Alright. If you scroll down, you can see that they also have categorized different templates based on the different platforms. In this instance, let's just try to create a Instagram post. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this. Alright, so now that the page has loaded, you can see that you have a square canvas here. This is where you will add your graphical elements, your text, your pictures, whatever. So you can start from scratch, or you can choose from a range of templates. All right, so you can see that we have different categories here. I am just gonna click on one to show you as an example. Once you click on it, it will be transferred to the canvas. So now if you roll over each element, you can see that you can actually make changes. So I'm just gonna click on this, okay? This text, and then I am gonna change this to stay home and be safe. All right. Okay, now also with every element that you click on, you can see that at the top there is an additional menu that you can customize that particular element. So in this case, because it's text, you can change the font, the size, whether you want it to be bold, want it to be, underlined, things like that. Or let me just add one photo into this canvas, okay? So this looks like a good photo to add in because it's very relevant to wash your hands. So clicking on the element, you can see that it brings up another set of menus specifically for the image. So there is effects, there's filter, there's adjust, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, etc. You can crop if you want to. There's also a flip option that you can flip horizontally or flip vertically. All right, so if you're happy with what you have already done, then the next thing to do would be just to download. So top right hand corner, click on download, and then file type. I usually download it in PNG, so that's what I'm gonna do. So click on PNG and then click on download. Now at this point you may or may not have noticed, but there are certain options where there is a crown here, right? So what this crown represents is Canva Pro. So because we are on a free account, we don't have access to select these options, all right? Only Pro users will have the ability to use this feature. All right, so now we're back at the home page. Let me just go through quickly the navigation menus on the side. Okay, so right now we are already at home. If I click on all your designs, this would be all the projects or the kind of work that I've done using this account. If I click on templates, you will have the ability to search for specific templates that you want, and it's also the place where all your templates are being categorized based on what platform you want to use it on. Okay, so clicking on photos will bring you to this page. There's also a search bar here. So I am searching for cat as this example. And then, okay, so you can see that there is a drop down menu here. So right now what it's showing is the results for free users as well as those who paid for Canva Pro. Okay, so how you tell that they are premium users is you can see that there is a premium status here, and for free then there is the word free here. Next, we are moving on to apps. Now with apps and Canva, you can integrate it to certain platforms, right? So in this example, you can connect it to your own Dropbox, or you can connect it to your Facebook account. All right, so we are now at Brand Kit, and Brand Kit is only available if you upgrade to the Pro Canva account. All right, so what is Brand Kit? Okay, so a brand kit is a short, easily digestible guide to your brand's visual identity. Now, I have never used a brand kit within Canva itself because I never got a pro account, so I cannot say that much. But if you want to find out what it is, I'll be sure to have this link in the description box down below so you can read up further on it, okay? And then moving on, we have Design School. Okay, now Design School is actually pretty awesome because Canva itself has different courses that you can take to take advantage of, you know, the graphics or the templates that Canva offers. So I'm gonna go back to home and carry on with now it's create a team. And okay, so you can invite your own team members, your colleagues, so that it's easier for you guys to share your designs and your folders. Okay, but this function is also meant for pro users only. Next up, we have folders, and folders is the place where you can create, you know, additional folders to organize your work. Moving on to upload. So this is the area where you are able to upload your own graphics, your own pictures and things like that. Okay, and whatever it is that you upload in Canva, it's basically just drag and drop, and then once you've already uploaded it, it will reflect itself in this uploads area. Last but not least, we have trash, and trash is pretty much self-explanatory. Basically, the projects or the images that you don't want anymore, the ones that you delete, will end up in the trash. The last thing that I'd like to share with you is this button right here, which says create a design. If you click on it, you can see that, you know, you can choose the different categories. But what's powerful about this particular menu is custom dimensions, right? So sometimes when I'm doing my videos and I want to make sure that it's the correct resolution, I can just do so here, all right, and create the design. And then the canvas will be created according to the dimensions. So I did mention earlier that I use Canva for quite a few things, and one of the examples was, you know, to create my thumbnail, right? So what I like about Canva is that all the thumbnails which I've created, you know, in the past get saved. In this instance, it's very helpful for me because I create my thumbnails almost every time when I release a video. So I can just reuse the format, right here. And what I do is I just duplicate this. So once that has been duplicated, I can just change the text to Canva for beginners. And then I'm just gonna take another photo of myself, and then I can just add it here. All right. So that's how I do my thumbnails. Okay, so the next thing that I would like to touch on would be the pricing for the Pro version of Canva. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to the pricing page. There are definitely a lot more features that will be unlocked if you are using the Pro version. Also, just know that you can try the Pro plans for a period of 30 days and to see if it suits you. Alright, so that's gonna do it for this video. Guys, if you find the content helpful, please do share it around. If you've learned something today, please give me a like because it does make a difference. Last but not least, if you haven't subscribed already, Please consider subscribing for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya. Now let's jump into my computer and we will take a tour and see what Canva can do.